In modern games, you will find that textures blended with vertex colors aren't just interpolated between each vertex color, but are actually modified by shaders to create a more detailed vertex blend, but without the expense of high subdivision levels for the vertex blend to look detailed enough. In this video, you'll learn how to take advantage of alpha sorting, where a nearly invisible cutout texture is deliberately placed in front of a set of opaque textures, which will end up being culled by the cutout texture. Unfortunately, this method only works with alpha levels down to 35%, meaning there will be no smooth edges in the cutout texture. In order for the game to render alpha levels below 35%, we would need to disable write-to buffer. But with this disabled, we cannot exploit alpha sorting. If you're on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to max legacy and restart 3ds Max. To get started, I'll import Shopee3_SFS. I'd like the red brick wall to have some white brick blended into it. Select the red bricks and change to the white brick material, which is ID 7. Clone the faces to a new element and move away by 0.002. The model has 16 material IDs. The trick here is to set the cloned faces to ID 18 and then the alpha cutout texture to ID 17. Make the appropriate changes in Material Editor as well. I'll just create a simple cutout texture. I'll reduce the UV mapping scale to 10%. You don't want the cutout texture to be seen, as it's only used to cull pixels behind it, so set its material alpha to something like 40%. Export DFF. You don't need to export collisions. In the TXD, add your cutout texture and compress as DXT1.